determine the following limits, and it could be infinity, negative infinity, or they not exist. So pretty much what we have here is infinite limit. Right. First, when x go to 3 from the right hand side of negative 2 over x minus 3 square. So the first thing we do is we're going to put in the numbers and see what happened. So I don't write the equal sign yet. Just say negative 2 over, I'm going to put 3, just that 3, subtract 3 square. Of course 3 minus 3 is going to be equal to 0. So just say 2 over 0, negative 2 over 0 square. Right. So, of course, we're not going to leave the answer like this. Notice that x here is going to be from the right hand side of 3. So what does that means? So now if we roll out, here we have 3, and it approaches from the right hand side. If approaching from the right hand side, whatever the number is, it is going to be greater than 3. Now if we have the number that is greater than 3 minus 3, it is going to be positive. And a positive number square is also going to be positive. So we have negative 2 divided by when 0 go to the plus sign, negative over positive is going to be negative. And we write infinity. Right. We can confirm using the calculator. So if we let so we have hit alpha y equal to we have negative 2 over something on the right of 3. We could choose 3.001, something like that, and then minus 3, and then square. Right, we have a very small negative number. So if we go back up and we choose even the closer values, let's insert another 0, we even get more negative numbers. So the number, the closer it is to 3, the bigger number, the bigger in magnitude we have. So it goes to negative infinity. Right. The next one, we do the same thing. We're going to put 3 in for x, and that of course is going to give us negative 2. Over 3, I mean this is 0 square. Now this time the number is from the left hand side, so it is going to be less than 3. If we have a number that is less than 3, I'm sorry, I have the calculator on the way. Correct. So that is from x minus 3 square, and if we put 3 into x and go from the left hand side, a number smaller than 3, subtract 3, it is going to be negative. A negative square is going to be positive. So we still have that. And the same thing as that is going to be negative infinity. So pretty much with I would write the summary here. If we have something that is not equal to 0, divide by something that, I mean something that is and divide by something that go to 0, could be plus, could be minus. The answer is going to be plus or minus infinity. Depends on the sign that we have. If we have positive divided by positive, it's going to be positive, and the positive divided by negative is negative. So the signs will depend on what we have here. In this case, negative divided by positive is going to be negative. Because we don't have the 0 over 0. 0 over 0 is indeterminate. This one we have something else divided by something that approaching to 0. In that case, it approaching to infinity or negative infinity. Right. Since the limit from the right hand side go to negative infinity, the left hand side go to negative infinity, those two values are the same, then we say the limit when x go to 3, meaning from the left and from the right, will be the common values here will be negative infinity.